Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Realtek HD audio manager not working or not showing on Windows level. If this issue, simply few methods try to this issues fix it. Before like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. Before in these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. First step for the restart. So for that, go to the start menu, click on power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step and control panel, test it now sound. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that control panel, just click to open it. Once it open, then click on the sound, just find that Realtek audio, just select and right click on the design, again right click on the enable, again check it, hit the OK button, click here to close it, then again check it that audio, then did not working, again try it that sound, click here, then right click, then unselect the disable device, then right click again, then below again check it to select the user so disconnected device, then again hit the OK button, click here to come to back, then go to that next step, device manager. So go to the Windows search bar, then type the device manager, just click to open it, then you can select the audio processing object, then this arrow click here to expand, then find Realtek audio effect, then right click on the update driver, then click on the browse my computer for drive, then change the location. So go to the browse, click here, then go to this PC, click to this arrow, then expand, then find local task, again click on this arrow to expand, then scroll down, find Windows folder, then click to select, then scroll down, then select Win folder, once it select, hit the OK button, click here to add that file location, change it. Once it changes, then let me pick, then click on the your Realtek audio effect component, then next button click here to update the your audio driver. Once it update, then close it, restart your system, then your problem fix it now. Then go to the next step for the Windows update. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that settings, click on to open it, then click on the Windows update. Here already updated. If there is available update, just click to update the latest version, then your problem fix it now. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime, and like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section go to comment. Thanks for watching.